Hey, what's up? It's me back. I'm back. Here's my bike, and yeah. Well, let's start off with the frame. The frame, really light. Really light, one hand, yeah. And then the back tire, sick. The brakes are awesome because the fact that it's not none of the ones that go like right here and stuff. Oh, it's right. So it just goes, so you could do boss spins and all that. My neck is sick. It's like all middle. And then my crank, look how small that is. It makes it so much better instead of those like huge cranks like that. If you could see that, sorry. Probably can't. But like the huge ones that go up right here, they're just waste of money and stuff. Here's my seat, pro seat, perfect for not getting in your way. And oh, my fork. As you can see, it says something right in there. It says premium. It's mostly what it's from, but it's Haro, so black grips, ODIs, and plastic pedals, which is great, but the grips hold you when you fall like heck. Okay, well, hope you guys like it. Hit the subscribe button right up there. Okay, hope you guys like it.